Hello my friend, here's Captain McHaddock, and this time I will do some great grilled food. But can you believe, my friend, this is the greatest grill of all. And what grill is this? This is this Weber grill. I will show you this one, and I recommend for you that grill with this Weber grill, and especially with this kind of grill. There's this thermometer and everything, and you will get some great sausages and beefs and everything. And that was my short information now, and see you on the next video. And thumbs up, my friend. Have a good day, night and evening, and see you on the next video. Goodbye, my friend.